Hi everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Tinder call stopping. To know how to fix or how to solve Tinder call has been stopped, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list you will search about the application of Tinder. When you find this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to your Play Store. If you'll find here in this blue sign update, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.